This Windermere Real Estates in Juan Island property video is presented by Greg King and Company. Exquisitely sited on 15+ acres amidst several hundred acres of conservation land, a romantic chapter of island history is embodied by this magnificent and meticulously restored 4-bedroom/2.5 bath, 2,888 square feet home. Superbly proportioned spaces, including a gourmet kitchen with Wolf and Subzero appliances, and al fresco areas embracing mesmerizing views out to a peaceful pond, orchard and fenced gardens, chicken coop, and beyond over the valley. Detached studio/office and newly constructed 2-car garage/carriage house with 878 square feet of studio space including bath and kitchenette. Private, yet convenient to everything Friday Harbor has to offer. An ideal balance of rustic and refined, celebrating simplicity and respect for tradition. Truly timeless. For more information, review